So now we will be discussing about the ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a free education, but 99% of people have no idea how to prompt it. Now, we will discuss about the 10 powerful prompts to accelerate your learning in ChatGPT. So, first is improve your writing by getting the feedback by using this prompt. So, you need to paste your writing here in this side. Then, you will use the prompt proofread my writing above, fix grammar and spelling mistakes, and make suggestions that will improve the clarity of my writing. So, the ChatGPT will be the one to proofread your writings above and will check your grammar and spelling mistakes. Number 2, use the 80 over 20 principle to learn faster than ever. So you will use the prompt, I want to learn about, then you will insert the topic, then identify and share the most important 20% of learnings from this topic that will help me understand 80% of it. Then number 3, learn and develop any new skill. So you use the prompt, I want to learn or get better at, then you need to insert the desired skill. Then I am a complete beginner, create a 30-day learning plan that will help me, a beginner like me, learn and improve this skill. Number 4, get short and insight-packed book summaries. So you will use the prompt, summarize the book, then you need to insert the book by the author, then insert author and give me a list of the most important learnings and insights. So, number 5, get feedback from history's greatest minds. So you will use the prompt, assume that you are, so you need to insert the famous person, example Steve Jobs, and read my argument below and give me feedback as if you were. So you need to insert the person's name again, Steve Jobs. Then insert your argument at the end. Then number 6, enhance your problem solving skills. So you need to use the prompt, your role is that of a problem solver. Give me a step-by-step guide to solving. So you need to insert your problem at the end. Next is number 7. So you need to generate new ideas and overcome writer's block. So sample prompt will be, I am writing a blog post about insert topic. Give me an outline for this blog post with 10 bullet points. Also give me 5 options for a catchy headline. You can adapt this prompt for whatever you're writing. Number 8, summarize long text and accelerate your learning. So you will use the prompt, summarize the text below into 500 words or less. Create sections for each important point with a brief summary of that point. Then insert text. Number 9, use stories and metaphors to aid your memory. So you will use the prompt, I am currently learning about, then you need to insert your topic. Convert the key lessons from this topic into engaging stories and metaphors to aid my memorization. So this will be our number 9. Lastly, our number 10, strengthen your learning by testing yourself. So you will need the prompt, I am currently learning about, then you need to insert your topic, then ask me a series of questions that will test my knowledge. Identify knowledge gaps in my answers and give me a better answers to fill those gaps. So that will be our 10 prompts. Then if you like this, just subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated for more content. Thank you.